C4 anniversary car here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1993 Chevrolet Corvette 40th anniversary edition. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, and only at 25,278 on this one right now. Take a look at this front fascia. Of course, LT1 350 V8 power underneath the hood. You can see paint shows well. Automatic transmission with overdrive on this one, and it will come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a few just little small touch up. I don't know if you can kind of see them, but overall paint shows well on this one. You can call us 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire on this car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the underside pictures, interior, engine bay. Be able to see close-ups of the wheels and tires. Tires are Nittos and they are brand new, just put on. Less than 50 miles on them. You can see passenger side. Of course, the matching ruby interior. Center console shifter, dual power seats, electronic climate control, AM, FM, CD. Player also has a matching ruby top, and we're going to put that up at the end of the video. Check it out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this car in person yourself, maybe due to distance or time, not a problem. Like I said, open door policy for third-party inspectors. Check this out. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken, and of course the walk-around videos like this. And at the end, there'll be a little driving video if you want to kind of take a virtual ride, so to speak, in this car. Stick around to the end. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks. Cruise, driver's information center, mentioned dual power seats, and of course underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. 40th anniversary insignia in the headrest, of course. All right, let's go ahead and double check those miles, start it up, let's hear it run, take a look underneath the hood, check the headlights too. Let's start with that. Headlights, get the thumbs up. All right, how about exact miles? 25,278. Electronic climate control. Again, AM, FM, CD player. Dash looks good. Take a look too, steering column as far as the C4s go, if you're familiar with them, this one is tight. Has not been leveraged for getting in and out of the car or loosen it up, so steering column is good. I want to show you underneath back here too. Storage compartment, everything, good shape. And like I said, we're going to put that convertible top up here in just a bit. Check that out too. That is a manual top. One person can put it up in a matter of seconds, really. It sounds as you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Typical LT1 sound. Let me pause this a second, get that clamshell hood open, and take a look underneath it. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Something else I want to mention, there is, of course, the battery over on the driver's side here, and there is a battery tender that will go with this, and it already has the pigtail. So you just plug it in between drives or when it's in storage. I mentioned the tires were new. It's also had a coolant flush and a new serpentine belt, so a little bit of maintenance. Things that were recently done on. Pretty much what you'd expect as far as engine bay wise. Again, LT1 power, automatic with overdrive transmission. You can see these tires are brand new. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Alright, on to the convertible top. And then remember, stick around to the end. Well, a little driving video too, so I'll be right back with the convertible top. And here it is with the top up. So, fabric top. Obviously color to match the car. Manual top on these C4s, easy to put up. One person going to do it in a matter of seconds, really. Nice fit. Looks good, free of rips, tears, holes. Really doesn't show much wear at all. What you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. 1993 anniversary Corvette convertible. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Stick around too. See what it's like kind of going down the road in this car. A little driving video coming up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1993 Chevrolet Corvette. Burgundy paint, burgundy and black interior, and a burgundy top. Actually look really good together. We have a digital speedometer. The miles are showing 25,280 low miles on the odometer of this Corvette. Very good acceleration, as you would expect. Pressure is showing 60 pounds. Oil temperature is still at 100. The coolant temperature is about 150 and rising. The volts are 14.5, right where they should be. The radio is working in this Corvette. Multiple position power seats. Leather bucket seats allow for any level of comfort you desire. This is an automatic on the center console. Cornering is very good, as you'd expect from a Corvette. Very nice low mile 1993 Corvette convertible. We do have the top up, but this is a convertible. Take a look at all the pictures, top up, top down, underside, in the engine bay at UniqueClassicCars.com.